Alright guys, part one of the Detroit River. This is actually the Belle Isle Park is actually where I'm launching. Right in front of me is the Detroit River. This is my first time on the Detroit River. I'm trying to see what's up with these walleyes. It's a perfect day to be out. 60 degrees. It's kind of windy a little bit. Out Detroit River. It's real nice. The water is blue. All you see is blue. I'm gonna drop here. See how deep I am. Go from there. About to see it. You guys know how much feet of water I'm in right now. I'm not too deep off. It's probably like 8 feet right here, 8 to 10 feet right here. So I'm not that deep. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out. The Belle Isle Bridge right there. That's where I actually came from. You can see down there. My destination is gonna be the Belle Isle Bridge. I'm gonna work under that bridge there. So guys, stay tuned to more videos and clips throughout this trip. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm on my way to that bridge there. It's part 2. Detroit River. Got me trolling back there if you see. Gotta keep checking my trolling rod in the back. I always talked about being under the Belle Isle Bridge, and I want to discover it. Get to the bridge, baby. You see it's a current up under there. That's why that water is swirling. This is what I'm gonna work my jig up under this bridge here. Probably for the next 30 minutes to an hour. I'm not gonna be out too long today. This is the Detroit River. Big waves coming through. It's fun. Kind of kayak handles it kayak handles it very well. So I'm gonna drop here. See how deep this actually is. Right here.